Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add iPad to Find My iPhone. First, let's go to our settings. In here, click on your Apple ID account name at the top left, and let's go to the Find My option. In here, select the Find My iPad option at the top and make sure that it is turned on like this. Also turn on the Find My network. It will let you locate the iPad even when it's offline. And also turn on Send Last Location. It will automatically send the location of the iPad to Apple when the battery is critically low. Once you're done here, let's go to our home screen and open up the Find My app. If you don't see it, just swipe down at the home screen and search for Find My, and let's open this app up and click on continue, and you can click on allow once right in here and click on continue again, and also enable notifications. Now once you're here, you can see this window at the bottom left. Let's go to the devices tab, and your iPad should be listed in the devices like this. Make sure that you are also signed in to the same Apple ID as your iPad and your other devices, and you should be able to see your iPad within this app. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.